Hey y'all, welcome back to Bandit Bill Outdoors. Today we're going to be talking about how to connect your Big Buddy heater to a 20-pound propane tank. So we're going to be doing that today with the Mr. Heater hose. This hose is made specifically for the heater. It's part number F273704, and this is the hose that the manufacturer made where you don't need a filter, but I picked up a filter just in case. I'd rather be safe than sorry. You don't have to use it, but I'm just going to do it just because I can. It's only $9.99. So we're going to jump right in. So if you look closely here, you can see that there's a space for the hose to come out. It's on either side of the heater. We're just going to put it on the right side of the heater here so I can run the hose out on that side. So you're just going to open it up. Going to put the filter on. So we're going to simply screw that in. Get it tight so we don't have any leakage there. And then we'll take the hose, this is the side that you're going to connect to this. So screw that in until it's tight. Make sure it's tight so you don't have any propane leaking. And put that down. Simply close the door over top of it. And then you will grab your 20-pound tank here and screw the other side right in there. So there you have it. Now you have the ability to utilize a 20-pound propane tank, extending the life of your heat rather than the 1-pound source. You don't have to fidget around with those. You can leave this on for a lot longer, burn time, and let it keep you warm longer. The Big Buddy heater from Mr. Heater runs about $129, $130. The hose here is about $35 or so. The filter was $9.99. So all in all, you have about $180 into this deal. But long term, it's more cost effective to utilize a 20-pound tank. Propane's cheaper that way. I think it costs like $20 to refill a 20-pound tank, or so. So that's $1 a pound there. And whereas the 1-pounders can cost up to $6 for those disposable tanks. So long term, it's more cost effective. And you get longer heating each time you're out. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and check us out on the social medias, Facebook and Instagram at Bandit Bill Outdoors. And also head over to our website, www.banditbilloutdoors.com. And we'll see you guys on the next one.